Up your troop admin access, each subsequent time you log in, you will land on the troop dashboard. You'll see a snapshot of your troop's campaign metrics, including total sales, as well as a breakdown of magazines, direct ship nuts, and orders received online for girls to deliver. On the left-hand side, you'll see a summary of the actions that girls have taken to set up their own campaign sites. You'll also see quick links such as View Troop Photo that will allow you to view the avatars of the girls in your troop along with your own. If you happen to manage a service unit as well, you will see a link called Change Role. Click that link to switch your access to your service unit manager role. If you manage more than one troop, look to the top right of your screen for a drop-down menu next to the word Troop. Click the down arrow to move between the troops you manage. The upper right-hand corner of your dashboard also has access to some of the same quick links. If you also have a girl participating in the program, once you have set up her site on or after the start date for girls, you will see a link called Visit Campaign Area, which is a shortcut to the participant site. You'll be prompted to log in again, so have your participant login and password handy. Across the bottom of your dashboard, you'll have access to additional links that will help you manage the program for your troop. Feel free to explore the site by clicking on any of the links to see what information they contain. You will also receive additional emails throughout the campaign with instructions and information regarding managing your troop's product program.